What's up, Discount Divas and Dudes? Back with another video. Y'all, this week's deals coming into the new year are awesome. We got awesome deals at Dollar General. We got awesome deals at Walgreens, and I'm gonna bring it to you. But today we are just taking a look at Dollar General. I'm not gonna load everything on you in one day. So stay tuned for this week's deals because they are sizzling hot, y'all. I mean hot. I have not been excited about deals probably in a while like this. So they are really bringing it. But before we get into this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out, so you won't miss out. To all my new subscribers, hey, hello, how y'all doing? To all my returning subscribers, y'all already know the deal. So with that being said, let's get into this video. Dollar General deals this week, y'all. And if you watching and not subscribed, please subscribe. What are you waiting for? I'm not going nowhere, and I'm gonna be bringing these deals every day. So subscribe if you're not subscribed. So let's get into these deals. Okay, y'all, here is my first transaction at the Dollar General. Nice little lineup. We got the cleaning items, we got laundry, we got dishwashing, lick stuff, and everything. So, starting off with the Dime Power Wash, y'all, it is $5. We have a $2 digital, making this bad boy $3. Then we got Mr. Clean Freak. It is $5. We have a dollar off, making it $4. Then on the Clorox, y'all, they have a coupon to where if you buy two Clorox items, they take $2 off. And you can use it with, I know, Pine Sol and Clorox items, 409, those type of products. And y'all, this is to me was the cheapest route. Both of these were $2.95, so both of them together was $5.90. I have a $2 coming off, making them $3.90 or $1.95 each. Then moving on to the Mr. Clean, it is the 41 ounce, which is $6. We have $2 coming off, making it $4. Then on the gain, and it's the big boy gain, 144 ounces. It is $15.95. We have $3 coming off, making it $12.95. So my total after coupons for this transaction was $27.85, making each item $4.64. We also have a P&G coupon, y'all, in the app to get money back on your next shopping trip. So mine's is spend 30, get 8 back. But I didn't do that because I wanted to use my coupons, because that is a Dollar General coupon. And if you get P&G items that has a Dollar General coupon attached, that coupon will not work. So that's why I just wanted to go ahead and use coupons. But later on this week, I will get into that P&G coupon to see what kind of products I can get and still come out cheap. The whole breakdown thing. But I only did 2 transactions, y'all, and I found some goodies while I was at Dollar General scanning my life away. So let's get into this second transaction and then check out some goodies I got at Dollar General. Okay, y'all, here is my second transaction. And I am so happy they got coupons on Big Tide, y'all, because they then went back up on the ties. Even at Walmart, they was 17 something dollars for the longest. Now they are back to regular price, which is what, 19 $20 and stuff. But this tag right here, and it's the 100 loads, it was 19.95. We have a $3 digital coming off, making it 16.95. Then on the Tide 18XL Downy, it is 9.95. We have two coupons coming off, y'all. $1.50 and $2, making it $6.45. And I love when two coupons attached to one item, y'all, and makes it even lower out of pocket. So, yeah, these two items right here are must-haves this week, and especially on the Tide. So, I'm gonna make sure I snag some more of these as well. Now, let me show y'all the goodies, and then we are gonna end this video. I'm not gonna hold y'all up. Just try to show y'all some of the items they had at Dollar General with some nice coupons attaching. So let me show y'all these goodies. Okay, y'all. I said goodies. Look at what I got. I haven't penny shopped in so long. It's ridiculous. But these little crock charms, they look like this, and they were a penny, y'all. I don't know if these are following Blue Dot or what these are. I just know I scanned it and they were a penny, and I always give UPCs to penny items. So there you have it, and these will be so good for someone who loves cats, because basically that's what these are, cats and a little cat paw. Then I found this little etch a sketch and just noticed that the little pen that comes with it is not on her, but this was a penny as well, and it's a yellow dot magnetic sketch pad, and it's to be a cute little gift to give a little kid, stuff it in a birthday present, something of that nature. Even though I don't think this was really worth $2. But I remember I used to have a etch a sketch when I was younger. It was red and much bigger than this. But that, and then on the Christmas stuff, this is a Dolly Parton measuring cup, and I've been wanting a glass measuring cup, y'all, because the ones I have are plastic, and the numbers tend to wear off, and you cannot see how much you measuring. But with this right here, yeah, I had to have it, and it's glass, and it was original price $8, but half of that $4. So those are the goodies that I got. Let me know if y'all enjoyed this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, because no telling what type of deals I will be dropping next. With that being said, I will see y'all in the next video. I'm out, y'all. Peace.